If your car boot refuses to open, you're not alone. It happens more often than you think. Let's tackle it step by step. First, check your key fob or remote. Sometimes the battery is dead, so try your spare key if you have one. If the remote still doesn't work, move to the manual release. Most cars have a lever or button inside, usually near the driver's seat or the glove box. Give that a try. If that doesn't work, look for a button right above your license plate. Press it firmly. Sometimes dirt or rust can jam the latch, so try pressing and holding for a few seconds. Still stuck? Fold down your back seats and crawl into the trunk from inside the car. Look for a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle. Pull it to pop the boot open. If nothing works, your lock or latch might be broken. At this point, it's best to call a mechanic or roadside assistance. Quick recap. Check your remote and manual release. Try the external button and use the emergency release from inside. Always stay safe and don't force anything that feels stuck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick car tips.